Vauxhall Zafira, the driver's side rear door. The door lock is not opening from outside and inside. So got a few tools. Well, bought one of them today because the old one of mine all got lost, as always happened, so I have to get a new one. So the thing is, there are a few things to consider. That has to come out, and that has to come out as well because there is few screws, and that will have to come out. And then there is few, one or two screw underneath, probably one here, one there. As long as we get that we can access inside here. So there is, it's already tried to take it off because there's a spring, it got like hooked up. So let's start it. So that was straightforward. Let's come off with the one of them things, just put it there, flip it. And this one, there is a little pin behind this handle. You have to just push that down to take the pin off, so they will come. So it's holding by a little pin there. So you have to, if you looked at it, I don't know whether it will appear on the camera, but there's a pin behind there. You can use this one, just I'll show you in a minute. That's all for now. Look, I managed to get it using this screwdriver. This is it. Now this one should come easily. That's easy, isn't it? For that you need one of these. Yep. Right, for that, put this screwdriver underneath and just flip it. It comes. Now we got 1, 2, possibly I think that one there, same one. Right, here is the trick. This doesn't want to go in because it's too big. That one is. So what I'm going to do, one of them should do the job, but take a little extra care, because it may damage either this side or the screw, so take it gently. Alright, now it's open, it's free, only there's a couple of them underneath holding it. Now I'm going to move the seats forward so that I'll work from the back side of the seat. Them two screws at the bottom of this board, I won't be able to access it because it's under this frame. So well, at least I got access here. At least I can see and trying to find out what the problem is. Right, chances are I might have to break the lock, or because God knows what the problem is. We'll find out. In worst case, we might have to use the long screwdriver to go into that lock thing and then break it up. As long as you open, you find you'll be able to fix it. But we'll find out what's going on. Right, first thing is first. Let's explore the lock. What's the mechanism inside the lock before. This is the broken lock, which is I took apart and then thought of just to experiment at what's happening there. So 2 screws in there, one there, one there. So take it out. Those comes. There's a clip there on the side. That's where they got stuck, and then they got to take that clip off, and it comes apart. And that one, you can just lift out. That's it. Nothing in there. This is where the electrical control. See the motor? So when you use the electric keys and all this is where the motor function operates from. This one, 2 motors is there, one I don't know what's doing it, tiny ones. And this is I think for the outside, inside. thing is, the one is operate the lock. That's the one is going to release it. Now it's locked here. So now when you see, I got release. It's locked. So that spring moving when you're releasing the lock. Right, when you pull that thing out, not the top one. See, top one is nothing. This is something is connected to outside or whatever. It's not doing anything. The one underneath, that's the one you need. This is the one underneath that one there. So when you do that, see, it's moving that one spring thing there. That's release the lock, and then when you lock it, see that I will move gradually. Look at that. So this is how it works. So when you're breaking the lock part, so this is how it was, isn't it? Like that. And that's there. So all these covered with the plastic, all the cover. So there was another half of it. I just smashed them all off. So basically you have to smash it here, you have to break it, but I didn't know what's inside or what the hell was. So I just thought put the screwdriver here and lift it up, but once it's locked, you see, there is nothing happened. You can't do nothing with that. So you put the screwdriver and then just lift it, it's not going to happen. So the easiest way, just broke that here. No mechanic will tell you, because he's going to save you a lot of money, and then they have to shut the garage. So just smash that thing off, and then put the screwdriver, slide it inward. That's it, it's released. And at the same time you have to push the door outside, right? And yeah, that's it really. It's nothing. These are just functioning electronically. So I think when you press the keys up, and then it's just do whatever it takes, you know. Yeah, let's go to the main videos, and then you will see how did I done it. I haven't done it before. Don't tell anyone, right? The easiest way you could do it if you ever done it before. Deside the door, take the panel off, and you can see from inside, but I can vision it from outside, so I hope that's helpful. The through screws, right? So where the lock catch is just right here. So if you found, I could see from inside the other side of the screw, which is hanging outside. So I take as a landmark from that. I could see through there. From that to the end, the corner, I'm going to put one of these screwdrivers and smash it with a hammer. After a long fight, managed to get it open. The mechanism it's always good to know the mechanism, what's behind the lock, but nobody does it? Right, it's anti-lock, it's covered with the plastic. You have to break like 2 layers of plastic, like the top one inside as well. I mean, there's 2 sort of covers. Once you break that in, you'll be able to get access into the metal part over there, which is what I'm saying there particularly. So if you move that part, that will release the lock, and you have to push it at the same time outside. So now anybody can replace this bloody lock. All it takes is a few screws on the 3, and then that complete lock part coming. And then yeah, I haven't seen one of those YouTube video like in detail. It's not easy, but you need one of them with a long screwdriver. This is for electrical purpose, but this is the one I found it cheaper, so I don't mind. It's only I paid about £4 something for a whole set. I don't mind even if I use it for something else. It's usually used it for, so it has to be something longer than this, and then it would be ideal if the top bit a little bit bent inward. So because if you see the door sharp, it's not straight, it's just bent towards here, and then actually you have to break this part here. That you have to make that hole there. See? So from here, if you put that screwdriver, we'll go inside. Look. So you need something on top, on the corner edge, the bent one, a long screwdriver or something like that. Bend it and keep it, and then use the hammer and snatch completely all the bloody plastics. And then once you break the plastic, then move these bloody things. And then when you start moving this one, and then push the door outside, it will resist no matter what. So you can get an idea. Same shit. Won't say that easy, but you can get it done, boy. It's the actual lock. Right? The new one, I mean not the second hand. So this is how it's in the door, like in this shape, like. So basically, have to break that plastic there. When it's in the vehicle, you got no choice. You have to take a a strong screwdriver. Ideally, if it's bent on the edge like this, so it'd be better. So you can snatch this one up. So smash them all up. That. Because that way you got to get there in order to release that one. So basically, it's worth to learn how the mechanism works. If in a broken lock, I'm going to check the other one on the door. I'm going to remove that off and put it back on. It's not difficult job. There's a lot of YouTube videos how to replace the door lock and all these ones, but there's no proper video how to break that bloody shit out. But you know now. One thing though, once you opened it, don't bloody shut the door, because it bloody get locked up again. So it's good. There you go. So we can try that again. What I done. Put that screwdriver in there. There you go. So this is the key. That's the one. It's working. You have to get here. See? That bloody thing, you have to move that one this way, right? And then that will release it. So in order to get here, to move that one bloody thing, you have to break all the bloody part. But maybe just to here and just this part. But lock to lock is fucking different, isn't it? So you just smash them all off. Why not? Alright, there was a 3 screw and that come off. That's the thing, look. Right, now I have to break into the cable part and the plastic cover and all that. Then I have to take this one. It should be straightforward, something. You have to push that bloody thing somewhere. Either flip it, I don't know. Yeah, I'll find out in a minute. Yeah. It says slide. Yeah, you know what it is, so you can figure it out. It's not difficult part. Take that off and replace it. Yeah, that was easy as fuck. I'm sorry. Just put the screwdriver in here, just lift it off, it come off, alright? Alright, new one back up in there. See, this is how originally it's looked like. Look. I've broken that plastic, that. Oh, I forgot to put that bloody cable in. I think I should put the cable first and then do that bit. Anyway, I'll do that in a minute. And then this bit here, that should go in there as well. That hookup things, it was broken on the older one. So I think I have to take that bloody thing off and put that in. Yeah, hang on a minute. This is how it is. I have to take this bit off. That actually is hooked up in here. Look. That has to come out, doesn't it? Yeah, see? So that's going to come out, and then that will pop out easily. Then you have to, there's a lock here, look. Release that bit. But I can't do it in one hand. Hold on. Right, that's in. You see that? Can get done. And then that one is similar mechanism. There was a bracket on top. Undo with a screwdriver. Open it up. Put that metal piece in there, and then lock it back. And you can do that after it goes on the door. Really, it goes this way actually. A bit tricky now. That's it. Yeah, put the screws on and then you can put that handle. Right, that's in as well. See? So that's the one that's releasing outside one. This cable here, that's the indoor one. So that was right in here. In there. So all I got to just put it back up and then it's done, boy. Easy. Few screw, remember? One there, two there, and that clip. That one will be outside because that clips are missing, so I need to sort them out at a later time. But I can't fucking do nothing. Remember that clip goes from this end. What? Goes like that. You see, there's a little two thingy. Whatever. It was in this way anyway. So put it the same way. So that'll get us in there. Alright, screws in. That goes top. Bring it that way. It. This one goes I think, yeah. That's it. See. Now it's open from outside. Gets in there. Look. Inside. See? So to be honest, don't tell anybody, I haven't done it before. So if I can do it, bullshit, you can do it. Alright. Nice. So I'll bloody wait for these mechanics, but they're not round, so they keep me waiting on all these. So I thought like, okay, let's make a video of that. So I haven't done it before, to be honest, but I know the basic on a door, like a few screws somewhere. Here, and that must come off anyway in order to this. Usually there's two screws there, but on this one there is no two screws, because I remember when I swap all this in the rear on my car, I mean in the past I used to do it, I never take videos, but I remember they're slightly different when I'm taking it out. So that's the results. See? Yeah, thank you for watching. We'll come back in another one.